Boom, what's up guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. I don't know if my microphone's working, so bear with me. I hope you can hear me. Okay, I don't know if you've seen the short that I did earlier, but we got a new toy for the Sweet Outdoors. I got the side-by-side, but the sucker is really loud when I'm trying to get into the woods for hunting and stuff. So this little bad boy, little Honda Rancher, it's been setting up for 4 years. We got it running, and we made some modifications to it that will benefit us. Now it's a work in progress. Today is day one of starting the modifications on this thing that I'm doing. So let me get you a little bit closer and we'll get started on this. How's that sound? All right, part one is what we're going to call this. Part one of ATV modifications for the Sweet Outdoors. We put together a small, basic emergency kit, toolkit for this. Now, you're not going to rebuild the motor with what's in here, but I mean, it'll help you out in certain situations if you have the knowledge to do what you need to do. So again, let me bring you a little closer. Trying to get the perfect angle on this so y'all can see exactly what's going on. All right, this is my little storage bin system that I put on the back of here. It's got a fold down seat cushion, you know, somebody sitting on the back here. It's got little drawstring, you know, bungee cord storage things here. We got a little pocket here, you know, you put a water bottle, whatever, in here, and got another little waterproof pocket right here. But the nice thing, unzips all the way around. All the way around. Like I said, I hope you can hear me. I'm not sure if my microphone's working. I guess I should have tested it before I left the house. It's actually probably dead because I found out it was unplugged. So it opens up. You got storage here, and you got storage back here, which is why we are here. This is where I put the small tool kit and survival kit that I put in here. So let's go ahead and get her out and show you what we got. I used an old lunch bag that I had for the tool kit. Now, front pocket here is just a couple little basic things. You know, got a little small flashlight, write in the rain tablet. I got 2 Sharpies and a pen. And there's a couple of little zip ties that I found in there as well. So that's, you know, like I said, this is a basic toolkit emergency kit. And I will be adding more because I'm having trouble finding a lot of my stuff. In the side right here, there is just a little small pocket knife, a little small knife. You should probably have one on you anyway, but like I said, this is a basic kit. We got some tie wraps. We got a little ratcheting bit kit. We got some gloves, some duct tape, because you have to have duct tape. We got channel locks and a crescent wrench. Small set of wrenches, combination wrenches. We got Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. We got Allen wrenches, and we got some rope, small thing of cordage. Now, this particular four-wheeler is standard, so everything that I put in here is standard size wrenches and Allen wrenches. And like I said, I will be adding more. I couldn't find my electrical tape. I will be adding some electrical tape. Like I said, we've got more things that we can add to this as well. But this is just for, you know, small emergencies. Like I said, you're not rebuilding the motor with what's in here unless you're damn good at it. Small emergencies, that's it. We also have the Ozark Trail Survival Kit. You've seen my review on this. If not, it's right there. Go check that out. Excuse me, go check that out. But also, modifications were done to this. All of the gear that come in the kit is still in the kit. You know, a little head net, but I did add an ouchie boo boo kit. You know, it's You're not doing major surgery with this thing. You're going to put a band-aid on something until you can get some help. We got fire still in here. We got a whistle. We got some jute twine, some wax jute twine. There's a small shovel, you know, collapsible shovel in here. We got a little bit of paracord. We have emergency whistle, emergency spork with a little knife attached to it, you know, for in case you need it. We got a little pair of scissors, another pocket knife. We got another flashlight. We got the paracord bracelet and some glow sticks. Like I said, this is a minimal kit, guys. Minimal kit. That's all this is intended to be. But wait, there's more. There's always more. Even with a minimal kit, there's always more. A lot of the stuff that is in this kit is dual purpose, of course. You know, you gotta have dual purpose stuff the way I see it. I mean, that's my opinion. You want stuff that can do more than one thing. I mean, that's just it just makes common sense. That way you can also carry less gear when you do it that way. So let's get this back in here. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but it does fit. And like I said, now we have us a small emergency survival kit and a small emergency tool kit. And then we still have all of this room here. We have all of this room here. We've got this pouch and we've got this pouch. But wait, there's more. I hope you heard that. I said, but wait, there's more. I know you heard that. Yeah, still getting this thing. I just put this on earlier in the week. It's been so damn cold. I mean, it's still cold right now. I mean, it's like 29 degrees or something like that. And the breeze is like hurting my hands. So, bear with me. All right, let's get you over here so you can see some more. Let me step over here to the other side. We have more storage bags here. Now I have nothing in these yet. We got a nice pocket here. This is a nice zipper pocket that you can fill with whatever gear that you want. This pouch here is for your cell phone. We have another pouch just like this one on this side for storage, and it also comes with a holder for a water bottle, which we have a water bottle, so you can store your water bottle here, or you could store it right here. This one is not as deep, so I wouldn't feel comfortable doing it there. I like it over here. It's got a drawstring to where we can tie it up so we know it ain't gonna fall out. So yes, hope you like this little added bonus that we got here. Allow me to bring you back some more. Yeah, there you go. You can see me now. Like I said, guys, this is a work in progress. Man, my ears are cold. Let me put my gloves on because my fingers are freezing. But like I said, this is a work in progress. I have been super busy the past couple of weeks. That's why you haven't seen any videos. Having some issues that I'm having to deal with in Florida with my son, so I've had to go down there on my days off a couple of times, make the trip down there, and then turn around and come back so I can go to work. Got a little sick a couple of weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago. Had to go to the ER, but everything's fine, so don't worry. But yeah, I'm really excited about this guy right here, getting this thing up and running. I still gotta clean it up. I mean, it's been sitting, like I said, for 4 years, and we had to put a new battery in it and put a new seat on it, but we're getting it there. And we're gonna do some pretty special stuff with this thing too, guys. I got some stuff planned out. That's why I ordered this here. We are gonna do a camping off of a four-wheeler. It's probably going to be something like the hammock camping that I've been telling you guys about, to where we just take our hammock and our tarp, go out somewhere, stop, set up camp, and relax for the evening. Of course, we'll do some camp cooking when we do that. I got some good meals in mind for you guys. And yeah, guys, a lot more to come. It's really been hard. I appreciate every one of you guys sticking with me. But now that I'm back on shift work, it has been just hard to have the time to do the videos that I want to do. Then when I actually think that I got some time to do it, life happens. Like I said, having to go back and forth to Florida a couple of times. The weather's not always cooperating with me as well. I think I got a nice weekend off coming up, and then it rains, you know, so if it's just one thing, it's another. You know how life is, guys. But like I said, I appreciate you guys sticking with me. You guys are awesome. Views are still going up. The subscribers are still going up. You guys, you rock. I mean, it really means a lot to me, the support that I get from you guys. Oh, all right. Let me see here. Slow down, Daryl. Slow down. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. I hope you are too. You can do me a big favor right now. Just go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification button. That way you're aware next time these videos drop. Yes, look forward to what we got coming, guys. I got some awesome stuff coming. I got some good stuff for Thirsty Thursday. I hope you're ready for that one. Boy, I know I am. Hell, I could have recorded one of those guys last night. Woo! I tell you what. Anyway, that's all I got for today, for this video anyway. And like I said, look forward to some more coming. I got next weekend, I'm off next weekend, so I'm planning something for next weekend as well. And when February hits, I have vacation coming up, and we are going to be doing some cool stuff then too, so look forward to that. Got the new camp we still got to set up. I haven't had a chance to take the old tent down and put the new one up. So, it's been crazy, guys. Been crazy. With all of that, that's all I got right now. So, be safe. God bless. Let's get outside.